We are off to the Ningaloo, so South Lefroy today. About to hit the Yardie Creek track, so yeah, I've heard a few stories how corrugated it is.
I think you're really nervous. You've been Googling all morning.
Oh, well, I like to be prepared.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I'd rather be prepared out here than pulled over on the road for, you know, a few hours trying to figure out what's going on with the car or whatever.
Let's get it. Like,
yeah.
Let's just do it.
Let's
we have to
do it.
People are down there, so we have to get there somehow.
Yeah. So let's just pump it in there, and yeah, pretty corrugated, pretty rocky, but I don't think the Yardie Creek crossing is actually that bad at the moment. So
yeah. I'm excited. I'm tired, but I'm pumped, and I'm about to be wired as. So
for a 3-hour drive in the car. We'll see you there.
Alrighty, we're about to do. Is it Yardie? It's Yardie crossing we're about to do, isn't it?
Yardie Creek crossing.
Yeah. So we're letting down to, what did you go?
22.
22. You went in between of the 25 and the 20. But yeah, so if you can see, you got the water just there. There's boats in and everything. But we're gonna we're actually gonna take it down this way. So you can go through that way, but you're gonna have to go through salt water. It's a lot harder, but we've actually just met another van and we're gonna kind of tee each other up, and if one of us gets bogged, we'll pull the other one out. So yeah, this, and then it meets it meets the other road just there. But yeah, obviously we just got to get through this little bit, and it's a little bit soft, but honestly it doesn't seem that bad. I can't see any signs of someone being bogged here. We got boats and everything out here, but yeah, that's your water just there, and that road just goes along the edge and then meets up together. So yeah, this is where we're going to send it through. Hopefully we don't get bogged. What? And now, yeah, we're back out on the hard stuff. So, yeah, obviously there was a little ditch there, but better than getting salt up in everything, I guess. What do you reckon?
A bit boggier than I thought it was going to be, but...
You didn't walk it first, did you?
Nah, it's cruisy. Wait for these guys to get across and...
Yeah, are you on 37 cord?
Yeah.
Cool. So far, not too bad. Pretty good.
Don't say that. Where do we go?
That way.
Right.
I guess.
No. Please use.
No vehicle entry, please use alternative route. So we go this way. Well, we've got about 22 k's to go. It's not slow going by any means, but
oh, it is slow going. It's just not as bad so far as what we've heard.
Yeah, so far it's just a lot of this, bit of rock, lots of winding, and a lot of Google telling us the wrong direction. So don't listen to Google. But yeah, so far so good. Found the red. This is our first red dirt.
Yeah.
Real proper red dirt.
Ocean view as well.
Oh, I don't know if you'll see it on here.
See Winderabandi. The van's parked up out there. That's where we'll be in about a week. 5 days.
Oh, yeah, look. It's definitely a corrugated road.
Scrambled eggs for dinner.
Oh, the eggs are probably broken.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I did not even prep them.
Oh.
Here we go. We're a bit confused.
Mobile hotspot. That's why.
There we go. All right, here we go. Do I want to say here we go a couple more times?
Here we go.
I said it.
Hold on to your
I'm
bands.
fine.
Oh, yuck, look at this.
Oh, we're so close, but we're so ready to be there.
1K, that's going to take us about 3 years to get there.
Alrighty, here we go. So we just got the run down by the ranger. I'm gonna go swinger in here and go over a couple of dunes. So these are all the teens sites here. You got 14. She's empty tonight. 13.
Now should be the next one.
Oh, 13's got a few entry points. That's alright. And then
6 to 12, don't we? We want to keep going.
no, we want 1 to 12.
He said 6, keep going to get 6 to 12.
Well, this says 1 to 12.
He said keep going to get 6 to 12. But, yeah, sure.
I don't know. This says 1
Alright,
to 12
whatever.
and we're 11.
Whatever.
Yeah, where'd your road go, mate? Where'd your road go?
I'm going to love if you are wrong.
Here's your 6 to 12, mate.
Told ya.
Here we
We actually have to
go.
go down that road and turn.
No, shut up. I was right. You were wrong.
What's your
Here we are. Here we are.
Hey, we could have gone that way, babe. Look.
Oh,
Oh, what?
shut up. Alright, we need to find 11. I think we go there. I think we're in there.
It looks like it.
Look at it. There's only a few camps up here. You ready?
Ready?
For a
We're
week.
here.
Here. How bloody good is this? You wait till that sun goes down. Eggs.
I know, it's wrong way.
Wrong way. Haven't done legs in a while. We've been hitched up.
Because we had it 1 day.
1 days.
Yeah.
What is that supposed to mean? You're a weirdo. Just get it touching, mate. You remembered all your jobs?
Did I?
I don't know.
Getting there.
It's been a while since we are unhitched.
Thought you were going to pick me up on something.
Oh, Jesus, you had to
Yeah.
dig that one
That's one of the angles as well.
real hard. Yeah.
Where are we going, Scar?
To the beach.
Yeah? What are we going to do there?
Swimming.
Swimming? Cool. It's nice and clear out there.
Yeah, hopefully we can see some things. I got Teddy's trusty flippers.
Teddy's flippers somehow managed to fit you. Tiny feet.
Extra small.
What are you going to see out there, Scar?
Turtles and dolphins.
You reckon?
Ooh, I
We'll
haven't seen
see.
any dolphins,
I
but
think you'll see some dolphins, some turtles, and maybe some fish, I reckon.
Yeah.
Gonna catch something?
Yeah.
Alright,
Let's
let's go.
trusty chauffeur. was a complicated way of getting the hat. Well, she's been a nice couple of days, but she's definitely a bit windy today. This is supposed to be the worst of it. She's getting a bit nicer, but honestly, South Lefroy, it has not disappointed. It is awesome, honestly, so good. How good's South Lefroy?
Pretty bloody beautiful. How cool is this?
I know. We'd heard about this poor guy. He's a big one. Oh, look at him. Oh, that's so sad. Definitely been dead for a while.
Can we get up in the mountain?
There we go.
Splashed by water.
Oh, yeah.
Bye. Bye. Mom, hold on.
Hold on. Oh, you want the GoPro?
Yeah, Mom.
What are you going to do? It's on. Wait, it's on. Say hello.
Hello. Hi.
Oh shit.
Another donation. Oh no, look at that.
Look, you make friends and you don't need to fish a day in your life.
Look at that. Bloody beauty. Good up for lunch tomorrow.
How good.
Yeah, very good. Nice. Little spangle.
Now you just gotta fill it.
Yeah. Give that a crack.
You gonna be alright?
Yeah. Are you gonna be
Are
alright?
you gonna be alright?
Yep. Should be alright. What do you reckon? What are you gonna make out of it?
Just fish.
Just fish. Grilled fish. Battered fish.
Yeah.
Give it a crack. How good?
Okay, like we love South Lefroy, but seriously, they are inside that beer can. Are you having fun?
Yeah. Bloody oath.
I don't even know if you can see
There's so
them.
many
They're everywhere.
friends here. Oh.
Alrighty, we are off to check out the whaling station out here in South Lefroy. It's pretty windy today, pretty gusty. Supposed to be an alright afternoon, but yeah, perfect day to jump in the car. We're gonna fill the jerrys again at a fill point and go see what's out here. Apparently awesome snorkeling, lots of wildlife. So, are you keen?
Yeah, keen as.
Are you keen?
No.
There's
As
always
always.
one. We've got a bit of a convoy going out today.
Yep.
How good. We're up. like old things. Drums and metal everywhere out here.
Started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to.
Sheesh! What have you done to us?
Here we go. More. I think I'll just coast over these ones.
I
wonder what that just tunes from it.
We are off, leaving South Lefroy. Get out of my face. So yeah, I think the next couple of days the tide, they're in all sorts. Next couple of days the tide's gonna end up breaking that bank out there, so all of this actually floods out, so they block the sites out.
So it's just pretty empty right now. These guys have got to move up there. And there's only the 2 sites that'll remain. Everything else will flood out. Didn't know that about South Lefroy.
No, but yeah, we're out of here. We are on our way to Winderabandi, see some good friends for a couple of nights, and then off to Blora after that.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
It's been good.
It
How
has.
good. We started this episode on no sleep. Like literally no sleep. And Lincoln slept through the last 2 nights.
Yeah, but before, definitely making up for before that, because we were up taking turns, laying in his bed with him for hours. But yeah,
honestly,
good. Feeling refreshed.
New person.
New person.
New people. We are different.
Kings off grid 2.0.
I don't know if it's South Lefroy, I don't know if it's getting sleep. Who knows? But this place has been awesome.
Great spot to meet new people as well. Obviously you parked right next to other families and that, and yeah, last few days we've definitely met a great bunch of people, like-minded people that we can get along with, and kids can have a run around with, so it's been good.
How good? How?
Stop it. How cool.
We've noticed that I say that in all the videos, and Boyd said this is bloody good or something like that. So.
Right, we're off.
Bye. Him on the jog for us, trying to show us our site. Not this one. Look at this. Hey! I got a little trench here for high tide. Look at this! And look at this! Who's sleeping here tonight?
Yes.
Boyd's doing it the whole way round.
There's a lot behind though, and the boss just comes.
Look at Boyd with his little mini. You guys will get full shovels. Wicked.
Ready?
Oh, well, it used to go. Right, I think you got to pour it on.
Are you mad about it?
Mad, as in like excited mad or mad?
As in like, are you mad about how beautiful this place is? Scout's going! In the boat!
That's cool.
Yeah, they went this far. Hi! Hi, baby!
You can't get me, Nana.
How's this? Pretty. Bloody cool. There's turtles popping their heads up all around there. Look at it.
Honestly, does not get better than this. Absolute glass off at sunset. Moon's coming up over Cape Range there. This is unreal. Oh, I could die a happy man right now.
Point.
Woo!
Woo! How's you sing that?
Cheers for watching, guys. Join us next episode as we roll into Pollara Station and show you all it has to offer. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out any future adventures. Catch you next time.
You see it? Whose responsibility is that one?
Mine.
Oops.